Hey everybody, today I'm showing you the ChessUp checkers set. Now this allows you to play checkers on this board. You can always use these to play chess, but if you put this there, you see it's in checkers mode, so it's not going to recognize this because it's ready for these. These guys were kind enough to send me this to review. Let's see what's inside. It's a very compact package. The board is smart enough to recognize these pieces. It's one of the few boards that I've seen that lets you play multiple games on it. I've seen other boards in the past that are very old that have this feature, but they were very limited and not as smart, obviously. So you get your pieces and they have a very similar build quality as the chess pieces that you get. Seems to me that they're built with the same material. Now if I put this here, this appears. Now usually when you get a checker set, there's a black and red or white and black. They're just different colors, but black usually goes first, but you can go white first. It doesn't really matter. The thing is, with this board, you really don't have to worry about that because it actually tells you where to put the pieces. Get that extra piece here. Now I do wonder if in the future more games can be supported. That'd be really a game changer. We don't really have a board that supports other variants, at least not that I've seen. The smart boards, regular boards that are for other variants are available on Chess 960. I don't count it as a drastically different variant. Going to ask me how I want to play. I can play against AI, has 6 levels. I can play against another player. I can force jump. I can choose color. Let's just play that. That's the max level. Just make sure that these are lined up. I'm gonna play white, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go here. Now it's not going to let me move because I have to capture it. This is the force jump feature. I'm gonna remove this. Capture this. Now this is gonna force me to give up one of these that I had there, and then this is gonna do a double jump like that. So that was a clever move. This is how you play checkers. You can go back to playing checkers when you want with these pieces. Very convenient. They feel a standard size to me, and they're not too lightweight, so they don't fall over the place. 6 levels available. You can do a random color if you want. Now this is Android based on what I know. I'm going to play this against a checkers engine. Let's see how that turns out. Pretty lightweight. You have this interface here to turn it on and off and connect your USB-C cable. Notice that when I changed layout, it automatically recognized that I want to play checkers. The board is smart. You can't just put in a piece of wood on it. These are smart pieces, so in this case it's not going to recognize that. It's going to recognize this. As far as the board itself, I'm using this app, which is one of the better checkers apps. Both of these now require capture. The force jump, I did the force jump here as well. You can change it to something like this or that. These are force captures, and the app tells you, shows you the circle that's the only move you have. If you have a capture, there we go. If I go here, that's the only move that can happen. In this case, you have 2 options, so it's going to capture these 2. has these pieces, and it shows you that you have one of those promoted pieces each. That's game over. I don't know what happened there. I didn't analyze the game. It had an extra piece. It was the checkers set for the ChessUp 2 chessboard. I've covered the regular game of chess on it. I'm going to do more chess games. Checkers is not my cup of tea. I play it. I play backgammon, other games, and I cover them on the channel. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/gadgetify. I'm going to link in the description to where you can get the set, also the entire set, chessboard, and chess pieces as well. Thanks for watching.